Genesis 13 begins with two men standing too close, prosperity forcing a choice. Promise and pressure collide as the land proves too small for two prospering households. Flocks multiply, tents spread, and tension rises in the dust between herdsmen. Yet the man of promise refuses rivalry, choosing open-handedness over grasping, offering first pick rather than staking a claim. His nephew lifts his eyes toward fertile plains, while the man of faith stays where he is placed, trusting the God who spoke rather than the soil he can see. And again the promise is restated, stretched wider than before, spoken over hills and horizons, teaching us that inheritance in this story is not seized by force, but received through quiet faithfulness.